How can I know which element in a list triggered an any function? I'm developing a Python program to detect names of cities in a list of records. The code I've developed so far is the following. The code works well to detect when a city in the cities list is found in the accounting record, but as the any function just returns true or false, I'm struggling to know which city, Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, Dubai or London, triggered their exit. I've tried with cities.index and q, but no success so far.
I don't think it's possible with any. You can use next with default value.
You won't because any returns only a Boolean value. But you can use next. With this syntax you'll find the first city that is a substring of the description stored in the database row. If there isn't one, the second parameter, for example none, will be returned.
No, it is possible with any. It's a bit of a stunt, it reads funny, but it does work. Or more concisely, if all you really want to do is print the city. It works for 3 reasons. Any stops at the first truthy, item, and is short-circuiting, so, not print city, will only be evaled if, city in row 0, is true, and, print returns none, so, not print ... is always true. P.S. As @falseTrue points out, in Python 2.xprint isn't a function, so you'll have to first say. As I said, it works for 3 reasons, Python 3 reasons smile oh, wait, that's 4 reasons.
My answer will work only for Python, equals 3.8. You could use the walrus operator, column equals, to achieve this. Note that the parentheses around t_city column equals city are important, because if not put, t_city would get the value true, which is the value of the expression city in row 0, in the final iteration, in case the any gets triggered. The walrus operator was introduced in Python 3.8, what's new in Python 3.8?
Question for